Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a short funny story. It was lunchtime when a little girl came to our office. You probably have known that Chinese people always take a nap after lunch. When I finished eating my lunch, I talked to the little girl. 午休时间到了，你午睡吗？ Time to take a nap. Would you get some sleep? And the little girl replied to me, 我4岁半. I'm 4.5 years old. So did you get it? The differences between 午睡 and 午岁 in Mandarin. 午睡 means take a nap, while 午岁 means 5 years old. Now, follow me to write. 午睡 take a nap. 睡 Here, the 睡 is a cacuminal. 睡 Next one, 午岁 午岁 means 5 years old. Take a nap. 岁 Here is a flat tongue. It means years of the age. For example, how old are you? 你多大？你今年几岁？ Well, I hope I've made it clear. Please take some time to practice. Let me know if you have any questions in a comment. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.